The Bible myth tells of Moses meeting God on Mount Sinai and receiving the 10 commandments. These have been interpreted as moral principles of society, but behind them lies the true message, wisdom of consciousness. They are coded instructions for the spiritual self-development of humans.
You shall not covet by thy neighbor's wife or his slaves or his animals or anything of thy neighbor's. This commandment is a parable for the laws of synchronicity and says that the outer is not responsible for my feelings, acting and thinking, but my inner. The outer is a reflection of my inner, or of myself. I have the choice, as above, so below, as inside, so outside. To change my life, to make it more successful, it is not enough to make changes on the outside. The outside will only change once I change. If I feel guilty, the punisher comes from the outside towards me, completely after the law of attraction. First, I must climb down, but I come back with the laws of my soul, and then the real life begins. My environment is my mirror. My character is my destiny. My life, that is me.
If you like my content, please leave me a like and a subscription.
Thanks, and see you soon.